301, the Haven Hotel. Do a little sweep here. Okay, we just got here in the Haven Hotel, where we went and picked up some things from the store. We didn't know they had a wet bar in here. Not a big room, but it's big enough. It's big enough. Storage. The safe earplug, so when Michelle starts snoring. More storage up top. Down here we got chips. You can't even see it's dark. You got liquor, vodka. Too dark, y'all. What is this? Dental kit. Shower cap, dental kit. Can't read it. Shaving kit.
Go that way so we can get in there.
They got water, beers, liquor, juices, sodas. Okay, but we bought our own. He told us just remove the stuff out, put it in the top cabinet up here, and then we'll know. Bathroom, shower, handheld shower. The center body, shampoo, hair conditioner, the can, and let's see, pretty cool. And bed. Whoa. Okay, this goes to something. Okay, we'll be locking that. I said we'll be locking it. All right, there it is. How does it work? Oh, there it is. Okay, locks. Push, pull down. Now you can't get in. All right, got the telephone. Oh, look like the remote from the house. Look like the remote from the house. Got 2 plugs on this side. And we got 2 plugs on this side and 2 plugs. So we got 2, 4, 1, 2, 3 outlets. Okay. Not bad. $90 a night. A regular hand shower. It's not. The shower head is in the ceiling. Shower head is in the ceiling. Residential suite. Thank you. Presidential suite. Number 9, restroom. Bigger TV. Oh, Michelle. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Presidential suite is banging, y'all. Nice island. I bet that's a pool, fireplace, full fridge. Oh yeah. Pool. Huh?
Hola, how are you?
How you doing?
Very good.
Good, good, yes. It's another room?
Yes.
Oh wow. Another bathroom.
Wonderful place. It's wonderful.
Yeah, we're upstairs on the 3rd floor. There's another one. So it's 2 bathrooms. This room. And it's upstairs too. I'm gonna check it out.
Yes.
Wow.
The pool. The pool, yes.
It's a pool, not a hot tub. How many guests tonight can stay here?
Twice, 15? I didn't make the question.
Okay. Did he say 15?
Hello.
Oh, shit, here go another master suite. Oh, shit. This presidential suite for real. There she is. Another master. Wow. It's nice. Shit. So it's got all master bedrooms. All master bedrooms. Nobody will be upset. This is bigger.
Cord.
Yeah. This shit's tight. What you see? Nice. This is nice. It's 1, 2, about 4 master bedrooms, 4 bathrooms. Focus on the chain.
Right there.
Have a seat. You want to sit over here?
Yeah, I mean, I come over.
be hanging up here, y'all. Rooftop. They got hookah and everything. Bye. Nice. I'll come back up here when it gets dark. Okay. There is dinner. Here we're tracking the roof back here at the 360. The roof is going back. The roof is going back. Okay, 360 has no more top. Those who missed it earlier. Battery level. Last night, they was in here jamming. So this is what it looked like now compared to last night. And they got the pool. So they was jumping. Two sides on the bar. They had this going for the pack last night, y'all. Y'all seen it. 360 pool. Overcast, cloudy today. All right, let's go get some breakfast. right, let's eat. Well, we know a copyright coming on this one, but we're gonna delete the music out of it. We're playing Burn Rubber on Me. Gonna get at it, y'all. Peace. Are you ready to book your cruise? Give us a call. We'll do the rest.